If you want to grow your business online, you probably have heard the term sales funnel. A sales funnel is simply the journey your customer takes from first hearing about your product to actually buying it. Building a sales funnel that convert mean creating a system that guides people step by step and makes them more likely to purchase. In this video, I will explain how to build sales funnels that convert in a simple way so even beginners can start using them. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and show strategies to increase your online sales. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to check out the tools and special offers that help you to create high converting sales funnels faster. By using the description links, any discounts or bonuses they will be applied automatically. Let's start by understanding the basic structure of a sales funnel. A simple sales funnel has three main strategies. First one is the awareness, then consideration and decision. At the awareness stage, people first discover your product or service. This can happen through the social media posts, blog articles, YouTube videos, ads, or email marketing. Your goal here is to attract attention and get people interested in learning more about what you offer. The next stage is consideration. Here, people are thinking about your product but are not ready to buy yet. You need to provide more information, build trust, and show the value of your offer. You can do this through the lead magnets, free resources, case studies, or email sequences that explain how your product solves a problem. The key is to educate your audience and guide them naturally toward making a decision. The final stage is decision stage. This is where the person decides to buy. You can make this step easy and appealing by offering discounts, free trials, testimonials, or clear call to action. The design of your funnel, the messaging, and the timing of your emails or ads all play a big role in convincing the customer to take action. To build your first sales funnel, you need a tool. Platform like ClickFunnels, System.io, or Wix can help you to create sales funnels without coding. Start choosing a goal, whether it is selling a product, collecting emails, or promoting a service. Then create a landing page for your offer. The landing page should clearly explain what you are offering, why it's valuable, and include a strong call to action like buy now or sign up. Next, set up an email sequences for the automatic follow-up. This is a series of email that follow up with your audience. For example, after someone signs up on your landing page, you can send a welcome email, then a few email that explain more benefit, share tips, or answer the common questions. And finally, an email that encourages them to buy the product. Automating this sequence saves a lot of time and keeps your audience engaged. You can also add the upsell or cross sales. After someone buys, offer them a related product at a special price. This increases your revenue and gives the customers more value. Many successful sales funnels use this technique to boost sales without losing the customer trust. Another important tip is to track your result. Most funnel platforms have the analytics tool that show how many people visit your page, click links, or complete the purchases. Use this data to improve your funnel. If something is not working, test different headlines, email messages, or page designs. Small changes can make a big difference in conversion rates. In summary, building sales funnels that convert require understanding the stages of the customer journey, creating effective landing pages, providing valuable content, using automated email sequences, offering upsell, and analyzing your results. By following these steps, even beginner can create a system that guides customers smoothly and increase the sales over time. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this video helped you to understand better about how to build sales funnel that actually convert and grow your business online. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and make sure to subscribe this channel for more tutorial and tips like this. Don't forget to use the link from description to get special tools and offers. Any discounts will be applied automatically when you use them. I will see you in the next video. with more strategies to help your business succeed online.